Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial. How to have the custom ringtone on your iPhone. Either your iPhone is a 10, 11, 12, 13, 13 Pro, Pro Max and 14, 14 Pro Max. How do you have the custom ringtone? As we know that guys, here we have a limited ringtone here, see? So if I'm inclined to have custom ringtone either from a video format or audio format here as a ringtone, so manually if I check it out once again, it's not available. So if I tap on a setting guys, if I back, and when we will click on a sound and haptic to select on choice ringtones, we don't have option. See here, if I tap on a ringtone, and here see we have a limited this one, either we need to purchase or download. So how do I have the custom ringtones from my choice? So ringtones, either it's a dialogue, movie, from video format or audio format, that doesn't matter. How do you quickly, let's do it. So see it guys, I will open a virtual DJ. I will select any movie and dialogue. Just we will drag on this box, and here I will show you from one video and from audio how do you have it quickly. So suppose here one video format I have taken here, this one. So I would like to show you from video format, and from audio format also I have selected this one. For modification, just we need a little bass. So just accelerate both. Just we come in a steam box, select a vocal, so the voice will be accelerated or allowed much more while you record as a ringtone for your iPhones. Now here just to see, let's create. So before creating, we need to come on here, choose. So see here, this one record option we have to choose here. Just select a file name where you would like to have output of this after generating this content, after creating this ringtone, and this format we have selected audio, but from video I'm going to create. So how could I create a ringtone crystallization? Just to see quickly how can I have. So let's see. I will have, simply I will come on here on a master option. I will create two record options, and now see. So see guys, here we have created approximately 24-second these ringtones here, and this output where it is on my desktop. I would like to show you here this one file. Now second, I would like to have the once again from audio formats. So this is audio format. From here I would like to have as a ringtone. Similarly I will have here this one, create, and let's see. So we have created 15 seconds of ringtones. Now both we can closet this virtual DJ. Now we can have a ringtone here. So one and two ringtones. For it, how would I import? Simply I will open this one, 3U2, this two. So I will go for yes. Now I will connect this data cable. So yes, let it open. So I have opened it now. Let me have this one here. Now I will connect a data cable. So let me have. Now see, it's a connecting here. Yes, we have a successfully connected. Now what we have to do, we have to go on a ringtone options, and here we have options, that is a import. Simply I will go in a file selections, and of course we have to come on a desktop. Both file, just import it. So now see, check it out here guys. Now see, file 1 and file 2 we have created here, and now we can cut it and we will check it out. Let's see. Now see. So of course how it's easy guys. And now whenever I would like to have a recording to on a crystallizer, either it's from the video format or audio format. Now see, tap on the setting, we will come in a sound and haptic options, and of course we will tap once again on a ringtone option. Now see here, we have a extra options to select by your own choice any songs as a ringtone. Now see, so this is all about in this video tutorial guys. Furthermore, any inquiry, blindly add the query below the comment box. It will be my pleasure, or will be so pleased to have your comment and to reply. So if it is informative and knowledgeable, then please don't forget like and subscribe these channels, because this is the thing that will inspire me to make more and more creators such as this informative video guys. So thank you for visiting your technology welfare. Have a great time. Bye bye.